Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Iman Syami bin Syariman and my matrix card number is F1006. I'll be presenting for our mini project 2 presentation. Okay, so first, I'm gonna present about the registration and login page of our Chemistry Lab Explorer system. These are the key interface design to make the application user-friendly. So first, the registration page is where the new user can sign up. It's a simple process where they enter their name, email, and password to create an account. This page makes it easy for user to start using the application. And if they already have an account, they can quickly go to the login page by clicking this login link. So next, the login page is for the returning users. They can log in using their email address and password, like the registration page. It's designed to be straightforward, so user can easily access their accounts. If they have not registered yet, a link directs them to the registration page is here. Okay, so these pages are designed to be clear and easy to use, ensuring a smooth and accessible experience for all users. Right, so that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Adi Shazri bin Baharudin. My matrix number is 17DD23F1991, and I will present about main menu and progress submit interface. So next, for the main menu, we have these are vital for navigation and feedback within our Chemistry Lab Explorer. Upon logging in, the user encounter the main menu. This dashboard offers 3 clear pathways: tutorial simulation and progress. Each is represented by a distinct, visually appealing card, enabling users to quickly select their desired action, be it learning the rope, diving into a simulation, or reviewing their advancement. Okay, next.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Adif Sirhabi Samsuri. My matrix number is F1002. And now I will show my progress. So what do you want to do? We start some simulation. So in normal app, they will have the assignment, but for now we don't have. So for this prototype, we have this page. This page will appear to show when they have complete their simulation, they have complete their work. They will show the progress bar and the progress meter in here and what grade they get. So when they want to submit, we'll go progress is submitted and show the right image. If for some reason that progress is not submit, like if there connection problem, we will appear X symbol. And when they tap on main menu button, they will go back to the main menu and they can go to other page. So other thing that we have in this app is we have user profile. This is where they can modify their name and maybe change their email if they have a new email. They can do it by edit profile and then save the change. They can also add their image to they can add their image to the profile. So that is all from me. Thank you.